Yeah. I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, and now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Hey! Everybody clap your hands, come on. One more time. The way you look that much, baby, you should go and love yourself. And if you think that I'm still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. 'Cause if you like the way you look that much, oh baby, you should go and love yourself. Ang ganda ng mga boses ninyo. Alright, thank you for singing along with me, guys. How about my next song is sing an OPM song? Is that okay with you guys? I'm sure you guys know this song, so please sing along with me. Here we go. Hey guys, this is song should be laid in the front. Naalala ko pa nung hindi ko ikaw ang palamang kita gagalaw tuwing gabi. Masilayan lamang inyong mga ngiti at ika'y sasabihan. Kaas ng atasyan sa dating upuan mo ang araw ko. Marinig mo lang ang mga himig mo, hindi ko maalam kung nasaan ka. Halapan tayong komunikasyon, maghihintay sa'yo kung magdamag dahil ikaw ang buhay ko. Kung inaakala mo ang pag-ibig ko'y magbabago, itaga mo sa puto na umaan man ang maraming Pasko. Kahit na di mo na abot ang sakit, kahit na di mo na ako marinig, ikaw pa rin. Sing it! This next song is my personal favorite OPM song. I'm sure you guys know it. Up, down, and down. Sa hindi inaasahan, pagtatagpo ng mga mundo, may ba sapat na sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararaan sa'yo? Ibinubunyagan ang iyong tang sumisigaw ng pagsinta, pati papatulan pagsuyong na kulang tayong umaasa, ilag at taluran. Ikaw ang handungan at pinagtanungan mo. Kung sasangit sa'yo, pati ba sabihin ang hindi mo maamin? Di ba uupayan walang bato sa hangin? Huwag mong ikatawan ang bulong ng damdamin mo. Dito ako nakikinig sa'yo.
Thank you guys. Pero parang purong kantahan tayo tonight. Gusto nyo ng sayaw? You guys ready? I'll let you invite back on the stage my good friends, the G-Force dancers. You guys are ready?
Doesn't call before midnight, if at all. Or else she never stays to watch the night turn to day. But I'm like, use me, baby, any way you want. I wish you were mine. In the rocket light, but you just use me, baby, any way you want. I wish you were mine. But she only loves me when the lights are on. She only loves me when the sun is down. She only loves me when no one's around. She only loves me 'cause I put it down. It's fine by me. What you wanna do, baby? And where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Just give me some time, baby. As you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart will stay there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'll be back with you. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.